Hi, Smyrna Stars. Yesterday, I read the beginning of Iris and Walter. Yesterday, we took a sneak peek at the cover and the table of contents, and we were keeping track of where the characters were and when. Today, as I read chapter 2, I want you to predict what might happen next. When I'm finished with chapter 2, I want you to tell somebody there at your house, what do you predict might happen in the rest of the book? And also write down your prediction in your notebook. So tomorrow when I read chapter 3, you can see if your prediction was correct. Chapter 2, The Bus Ride. On Friday morning, Miss Cherry said, "We are very lucky to have Jenny's mother come on the field trip with us today." Jenny gave her mother a big hug. "I know we are going to have a great time," said Miss Cherry. Now let's go over the rules. Remember, pay attention, hang on to your partner, stay with the group, and if you get lost, stay where you are and I will find you, said Miss Cherry. "I've never been lost, have you?" Iris asked Lulu. "No, and I sure wouldn't want to be," said Lulu. "That would be scary," said Benny. "Really scary," said Walter. The children climbed aboard the school bus. Iris and Walter chose the very last seat. They bounced up and down. Benny told knock-knock jokes. Lulu made up silly fish songs. Everyone was happy and excited. Nobody thought any more about getting lost. All right, I want you to think about what might happen. Write down your prediction in your notebook, and tomorrow we'll come back and read chapter 3. Have a great day.